Welcome to the Ultimate Word Challenge. Sharpen your pencils and your minds because it's time to put your spelling skills to the test. Remember, every word is a step closer to becoming a true spelling champion. Let's begin. Here's a 40-word vocabulary list for diversity, variety, inclusivity, equality, tolerance, pluralism, equity, multiculturalism, integration, acceptance, respect, differences, heterogeneity, representation, cohesion, unity, intersectionality, non-discrimination, fairness, coexistence, perspective, cultural, ethnicity, inclusion, adaptability, understanding, empathy, integration, belonging, identity, collaboration, accessibility, intercultural, globalization, community, interconnection, social justice, respectability, equilibrium, harmonization, shared values. Learn the meanings of these words and use them in different contexts.